text-to-speech with desktop version of Word. In the Word toolbar, select View. This will change the functions in the toolbar and display the Immersive Reader tool button. Click on Immersive Reader. This will change the view of your text. There are several tools available here in the top left. We will look at the Read Aloud feature. Place your cursor at the beginning of a sentence and click to set the cursor. Click on the Read Aloud button.
Place your cursor at the beginning of a sentence and click to set the cursor. Click on the Read Aloud button. This will pop up a little control box and play the text from where you placed the cursor. You can pause the text.
You can also use the buttons to go to the beginning of the paragraph.
You can pause the text.
Or go to the next paragraph.
The voice and reading rate can be adjusted using the speaker settings icon in the Read Aloud.
This icon allows you to control the reading speed and the voice that is used. You can play around with these settings. They should be adjusted to the needs of the user. And that's text-to-speech in Word.